What is up, guys, and welcome to something so special because we're still at Computex, but this is a booth that I have actually helped design. This is the Cooler Master stand, and what we wanted to do was create the ultimate gaming setup. Something that I think we've said time and time again, but for a show like this, we needed something that was going to stand out, and stand out this does. In fact, there's even a little sign here that shows I had something to do with it, and it is a joint project. It's with myself and then a modder from Australia, designs by IFR. You'll see his PC at the top, which is in the new Cooler Master 500M, but it's been taken apart and re-put together in a way that makes it look so much more special than before. We've got custom liquid cooling in there, things like a GTX 1080 Ti, and as you can see, it spreads across 3 displays perfectly. These are 3 LG displays. They're G-Sync 144 Hz. We've got Civilization 6 running on here, and it looks absolutely incredible. But the thing for me that makes this so special is the lighting system, and this is all made possible with Cooler Master's new lighting system that allows you to synchronize things like the Nanoleaf panels with peripherals to lighting strips with your PC, and as you can see, it's an absolutely crazy effect that can be synchronized to whatever you've got on screen like we have here. So Civilization, it's a nice relaxed green atmosphere, but if we wanted to go for something a little bit more crazy, we could do that. It's so in-depth, you can create effects, you can time them together, or you can just let them color change and just sort of let it sort itself out. It is so good. In order to actually interact with this setup, of course, you're going to need a set of peripherals. The ones we've got here are, of course, from Cooler Master. This one is the MK850, and it's not only RGB, so it will, of course, synchronize with everything else, but the W, A, S, and D keys can actually be made to be completely analog, which when you're playing a first-person shooter or a racing game will give you a completely different sort of feel. I mean, it will be analog, not digital like we're so used to seeing. The mouse we've got here is the MM830, and this is an evolution of what we saw earlier at CES, because on the left-hand side you have some buttons that are sort of semi-hidden away underneath the thumb button, and these can be customized to whatever you want. So I personally would probably want to lower the DPI, but if you want to use them as like a special grenade or a grenade, you can do that. It's all completely customizable. As for speakers, we've gone for something a little bit different here. Obviously, as this is a display, we couldn't actually use the speakers in their native surround environment, so we've sort of gone for more aesthetics rather than maybe practicality. But these are a 5.1 set of speakers from Edifier, or Edifier. I'm not really sure how you're meant to say that. I'm sure you can tell me down in the comments below. But they just look so good, but of course they sound so much better. And if you are playing a game that requires surround sound, the experience you're going to get is absolutely incredible. So that is everything that was in this setup. I hope you can see that it's taken a lot of work, and I have to say a massive thank you to the Cooler Master guys for sponsoring this project, but all the people that have gone above and beyond to actually make this happen, all of the cable management behind us. It's taken a long time, and I hope that everyone that has come to Computex has enjoyed it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll leave links to everything featured down in the description below, so if you do want to check something out, you can. There is also a video that goes through everything that is new at Computex from Cooler Master, and you can find that video not behind me in the top right hand corner of this screen. But I hope you have enjoyed it. Leave the like button if you have, and get subscribed. A massive thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.